Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to power off tecno mobile without press power button. Friends, you want to power off your tecno mobile without press button. So friends, now let's see how to power off tecno mobile without press button. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So first of all guys, tap on your phone setting icon. After showing my phone setting, hence you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. So friends, in your tecno mobile, open your phone special function setting. After showing my phone special function setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. Friends, in your tecno mobile accessibility setting, tap here. After turning my phone accessibility setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your tecno mobile. So friends, in your tecno mobile, tap here top accessibility menu setting. First of all guys, tap here accessibility menu shortcut setting, we will allow. After turning guys accessibility menu shortcut setting, got it. After on friends, right side in your tecno mobile, in your android mobile, you can see here man icon, and you can see here also three dot also. So tap here three dot and man icon. Assistant setting, accessibility setting, mobile power of setting you can use. Recent app you can check without press menu button. Without press power button, you can lock your tecno mobile screen. Tap here, screen will lock automatic. Again tap here friends, you can see you can increase, you can decrease brightness in tecno mobile. Power off setting friends, tap here. You can power off your tecno mobile without press button. Friends, you can see power off, slide down here, phone will power off, and right side you can restart your phone. After power off, your phone will not on automatic friends, you will have to turn on your phone. Friends, you can see phone will power off, your phone will vibrate when your phone will power off. After 1 and 2 minutes, 5 minutes, we will on phone wait. So friends, now we will turn on tecno by long press your power button, your phone will on. So like that friends, you can use tecno while phone power off and power on setting. Without press button you can power off your phone, but after power off you will have to press button, then your phone will on. Tecno. Swipe here, phone will unlock, you can use your phone. Bye.